Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. Walmart is putting out Christmas. You know what that means. Let's go shopping. So this is our first trip in. You guys are putting out decor. There's so much to see. There are a lot of vintage inspired items, including these mini deer for $4 a piece. There's a boy and a girl. Oh my goodness, I love these toy soldiers. They're so well done. They are glass framed for just under $7, and there are three to choose from. They also have these little deer. Now they're $15 and $12. These are very retro vintage looking, and it comes in both the sitting as well as the standing. So cute, so different than the other ones. All right, down here they've got some red trucks, just in case you're not over it quite yet. And the birdies are back for $5. They've got three different ones to choose from. Down here, it looks like there's going to be a whole peppermint theme. That's a $12 tree. And this Mama Jamma wooden tree, oh my goodness, $18.88. It weighs like 1,000 pounds. It's beautiful. I love it. Very tempted. I'm waiting to see what else hits the shelves. They also have a wrapped gift cookie jar for $15. That's amazing. A few larger pieces coming out for $13. This is a large canvas. Now, obviously not everything is out. I'm just showing you guys what I'm finding in case you're headed out this weekend and you hit any stores that are also stocking. So these deer, there'll be more about these soon because this upscale collection, I cannot even say enough about. We're just going to go along. I'm going to show you what I'm finding. They also have some really well-priced toy soldiers. And this piece for $15, Meet Me Under the Mistletoe, is part of their red and green collection. Such a good sized piece. Now these I think are beautiful. Again, a really good size for the price. These are $11 in the red and green ceramic trees, quite tall, and an adorable Santa. I love that he's got his little list and his slippers. He's got his hot cocoa. He was $20, so I think that all of their Santas are going to be right under $20 at $19.96. They brought back the glazed Christmas trees. These come in two sizes and two colors. They come in the green as well as the cream for $7 and for $5. And then these bells in the glazed ceramic are beautiful. They've got this one in red for $7 and then the green one for $8.68. Those are just beautifully done. They also have a deer over here. That one is right around $13. I can't get over these bells. They do have little wooden, I don't know, what do you call that? Is that the bell part or jangle, dongle? I don't know. If you know, let me know. Down here they've got some very Scandinavian looking Santas, two sizes. This is the taller of the two. $8 and $5. Amazing prices, and these are gorgeous. They have the wooden nutcrackers, toy soldiers. What do you call these? I call them toy soldiers and nutcrackers interchangeably, but they're $10. They're such a good size for that. I can't believe the pricing. All right, they also have some naughty and nice little gnomes, the truck, and a fir tree. So this one is $4.58. And next to that, this candy cane. This will be gone this weekend. These are so cute. $7. It is a good size pillow. So fun. It's sort of a sweater knit. All right, now we're going to get to the part that I'm really excited about because I love the collection that is right next to this candy cane that they're putting out. It has a more modern feel. They have these glazed trees in the two sizes. So it's just like a flat ceramic tree, but it is on a little base, and it is sort of a pale green. I love these because these would store so nicely. This one is $15 and it is the larger. The other one I believe was $8. And these framed pieces in Joy and Noel are beautiful. Those are just $12. Such a good price. I also really like this piece for $15. Glory to the Newborn King. So it's almost a paper texture. It's definitely more of a canvas, and then it's framed out. It looks like wood, but it's metal as the frame. And then they've got these little candle holders that are antlers, some more ceramic pieces, and this leather snowflake. I love this for just under $6. Tabletop decor, some critters, owls, and looks like a squirrel. And these little churches are adorable, or maybe Adobe buildings. I love them. I think these are dupes for things that you would find from Studio McGee. I really like the real modern line that they're doing. So they've got two of them to choose from. They're both $10. Here's a look at the standing single deer. And I believe that he was $25. I believe 24. Yes, 98. This piece is beautiful. We're going to get back to that here in a second, but these candle holders I have to show you guys. I love things like this that you can pick up and use year round. So this one is $9 or $10 rather, and then they've got the taller one in the wood tone as well, and that one is $12. So beautifully done. These are gorgeous. This is actually a garland with these wooden finials. It's $15. These are super heavy. This looks like something you might pick up in an antique store. They also have one in the wooden trees and wooden candles that light up for $8 in the LED. They just have such a beautiful wood grain on them. Now above those, they've got more pieces of this collection, some antlers, a beautiful wooden carved squirrel. It looks like a poinsettia. He could go any time of year, especially even fall. The snowflake and the ceramic birdies. They also have this piece that is framed out in wood with the leather detail of the deer, and this one is priced at $7. Such good prices. Here's a better look at what was above, and that was just a angel framed canvas. I think they had that last year for $8, and they have these trees, but down below I'm totally distracted by these trees. So this one's a really lightweight fir. It is pretty, but the other one with it is gorgeous. It's like a chevron velvet ribbon tree. It's $11. It's a good size. But these, you guys, oh, I love them so much. All right, so they've got 3 sizes. They are glass churches. You could definitely put some votives in there. They've got the taller one for $8 and this one that is wider for $7. And they are modern and say Christmas, and I don't know. I'm very tempted. I'm not even here for any Christmas decor. I'm here looking for something for my patio, for our grill. Oh my goodness. Okay, so they have the little trees. Those are $1.50, and then the reindeer. And this piece, it is $14, $13.98, same thing, and so tall. It is a large piece. Beautiful. The backing on that is black. They also have this set of bells that would be a great wreath alternative for $20, and they are beautiful metal. Now over here they have more wooden tone candle holders in 2 sizes. This one in the taller size for $10, and then the shorter one for $8 with the black tops. Love that. And down here, they've got a black canvas framed out in wood for $8 of a snowflake. So pretty. I love the modern touch for Christmas. I know it's not for everyone, but I love it. They also have this woven piece with the leather Noel and a tiered tray to go with this collection. So that's $15. I call these DIYs. They put them in a box and you get to put them together and assemble them. So all of this is gorgeous and magnificent, but you guys, I'm going to take you to another Walmart. I'm looking for this one thing that's supposed to be on clearance for my patio, and so we're going to go check out what another Walmart has for Christmas, and magically we are transported there. So this Walmart is putting out their nativity section, and I love it. They do have a decal for $3, so if you don't have a Cricut and you have a project in mind, they have you covered. They also have these wooden beaded garlands in "Oh Come Let Us Adore Him," and this little ornament in the wood tone for $6. Love that. They have a few standing angels. So this one is $5, and then they have the taller version. They actually have jute wings and then a little bell. That's really cute for $7. They have this little hanging sign for $3 and a ceramic church that is beautiful. That one is $12. Now I'm going to show you guys what the other store didn't have in their decor section. So this Walmart actually has a berry wreath. That's $30. They have some little signs for $6, some mini trees for $3. They've got the little miniature reindeer here. They are so cute. This one does not have the shorter ones. They're putting out the trees and the antlers for the votive holders. These were already chipped on the back, I will tell you, so be very careful if you're picking out any of the antlers, as well as a few of them were chipped. So for $30, they have this wreath. It's a combo pine cone and pine. Here's a better look at those Noel and Joy signs. Those are so well done for $12. Down here, they've also got that sign I didn't show you guys in the last store, and they only have the one standing gold reindeer here at this Walmart. They have a shorter version, or no, I think a taller version of that pine cone tree. Yes, this one was taller. It was $16. And this sign, it is so pretty, framed out in wood. Love this for Christmas or any time of year. It's $15. They're putting out the glazed tabletop snowflakes. So these are glazed on just one side for $7. And then over here, they've got a few more pieces we didn't see at the last store. This piece that is a tree for $7. And these reindeer, the lights on the top of their head are throwing me. I'm not a fan. Are you a fan? I mean, they're very vintage looking, so they're $12 and I think $13. They've also got a really cute little vintage looking car with a mess on top. Let's be honest, it did not look like a tree. So this Walmart's actually putting out some ornaments. I'm not going to show them all to you, but I want to show you the ones that go along with sort of that modern decor look. These trees, they're ceramic, they're heavy, they're beautiful. All their ornaments are $2, and these are definitely new this year. I love this one in the star. It's a black glazed on one side and wood on the other. They also have a little house. Lots of spindly looking items. They do have a really pretty light green ceramic snowman and quite a few hanging pieces. So they're going to have a few collections, and I am loving what they're putting out so far. Has Walmart put out Christmas at your store? Comment down below and let me know. I am impressed, especially with the prices. I'm excited to come back when they've got more on the shelves, but the modern ornaments and the beginnings of the decor section have got me sold. They also have some oversized ornaments that are $3.50 in these wooden trees, which you could use as tabletop decor. They're so pretty, you guys. Okay, so I've got to focus. I'm here looking for something for the patio, but before I leave you, comment down below. Let me know what is on your list for Christmas. What are you looking forward to seeing? Thank you so much for coming with me to Walmart, and I'll see you back very soon.